Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Honda Passport, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire headlight lens. So in order to make sure we just prep the top section here, we will need the hood a little open. That way we're able to clean this top area here. In case the film does touch this section, it doesn't catch any contaminants. So we need to make sure everything is clean. So we're going to need our slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you can also use tag solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're also going to need a clean microfiber towel to remove all the contaminants. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens, and remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. And then once we're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. Okay, so for the headlight installation, it is just a one-piece installation. So when you have your headlight tint kit here, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film. So make sure secure this section here first. Apply tag solution underneath and on top of the film, and we just need to align it around the curve here. So it should be right on the edge like this right here. So once you have it aligned, grab your squeegee, tack it down to secure this section here. Squeegee all the solution is trapped underneath the film. And then on this area here, there is a small bump. Just help it tack down. That way it doesn't lift. So we want this section anchored first. That way when we stretch and align the rest of the film, this doesn't shift. If you need to help the adhesive activate faster around this section here, apply a little bit of heat. So you can use a heat gun or hair dryer and apply heat around this area. Apply tag solution. And you can wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee just to help it tack down around the edges here, because you may encounter some small little fingers. Now it's secured, and now we can stretch this section here. Apply slip solution. Stretch it just up to the edge. Once it's stretched, hold it in position for a couple seconds and then start tagging it down. So these small little fingers, we could break them down slowly, and they should disappear once we stretch this section here, because we still need to stretch this side here. So we just need to bring down the fingers as small as possible. Okay, and now stretch to that edge. So if it does get dry, lift it and apply slip solution underneath. And just stretch it up to the edge right here. And then the fingers that we had here should start disappearing. We just need to make sure to help it align and stretch and tack down. So like this. And then lift it, and around the edge here, apply tag solution. Place the film back down, hold it, make sure it stays on the edge here, and apply tag solution on top. Grab your squeegee and tack it down. And the fingers that we had here, they either became small or they disappeared. So just focus on removing all of the water bubbles underneath the film here. Bring everything towards this section here. And then we will do the same on the top edge here. Just, it should already be stretched or reaching to the edge here, but if it's not, just do a light stretch. Because it is a thin piece, we're going to need to help the adhesive activate faster by applying tack solution. Hold it in position, keep it aligned, and then tack it down slowly. You just need to take your time around this area since it is a small area to work with. This section here, it is going to lift. You will notice it once you are doing the install. Just to help this section of the film tack down, apply a little bit of heat since there is a little bump here. So grab your heat device and apply heat. Apply tack solution. And you can use your microfiber towel to apply a little bit of pressure. That way we remove all of the water bubbles and also help it tack down underneath the curve here. And then you just repeat this process until you secure this section here and it's not lifting. Because it's thin, like I said, it will take a couple minutes for this section to tack down. But that's pretty much it. Double check and make sure you don't have any water bubbles underneath the film. And then once you're done with the installation, we move on to the last step, which is post-heating. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tint is to post-heat everything. So grab your tack solution, apply it to the headlight. And you're going to need your heat device. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer, microfiber towel just to help remove all the solution that's trapped around the edges. Take your time applying heat throughout the entire lens. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Honda Passport. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. And don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the Honda Passport. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.